everyone, it's Jenna here, and today I have a new layout to share for Bramble Fox. I must admit I made this page probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. I've been moving house and trying to get stuff ready for Christmas, and life's just been a little bit chaotic at the moment, so I'm really hoping that I can remember everything that I've used and everything that I did for this page, but I will make sure that I include products and everything in my description box, just in case I get anything wrong or I miss anything out. But today I'm using the January Foxbox Plus. It's got quite a nice sort of wintry theme, but also it's so versatile. So I'm using it was taken at Christmas last year, but it's just a photo of a dog, so it's kind of like a very generic photo. So it just shows that you can use the box for whatever you wish to document. But I started off with a Cutfile today, and this is one from Paige, which is called Stars Background. It's a really beautiful sort of 9-star design. And I figured I would do something a little bit different to what I normally do. I'm not normally a stars kind of girl, but I figured it's Christmas, I'm documenting a Christmas photo, I would give it a try. So I backed it with a piece of sort of orange and pink ombre cardstock, and this is a piece from my March 2021 Hip Kit Club kit. So it's actually a spring collection, but I thought, why not just switch up a little, do something different, do non-Christmas with Christmas, who's to know, right? So I backed the Cutfile and I added some hand stitching to the insides of each of the stars. So on the top row I have some sort of peachy orange thread, got a baby pink in the middle, and then a slightly darker pink for the stars on the bottom row. I added some foam squares to the back of each of the stars, and then I just placed that onto a plain white cardstock background. So I've got a few collections that I'm working with today. I've got a few from Hip Kit Club, and then on my desk I've also got the Simple Stories Mix and a Mingle collection, but I don't actually think I use any of that on this layout today. It's mostly the December 2020 kit from Hip Kit, and there's also a few bits that I think I take from the, I want to say January 21 collection, but I will just double check on that after I finish this recording. So I've got some florals that you can see on my page. These are from the December 2020 collection, and my plan is to build up 3 clusters. So I've got one in the middle of my top row. I've got one to the bottom right hand side of my bottom row, and then I've got one that's kind of just poking out on the left hand side of my photo. It's sort of sat on the middle row there as well. So I've got this really cute chipboard sticker which says all kinds of sparkle, and I thought because this is kind of a Christmas layout and because the colours in the sticker match what I'm working with today, I thought I would use that, and I'm using that almost like a title. I've got a couple of other sort of like floral bits that I've tucked in behind that. It's sort of mostly sort of pink and yellow floral bits with the occasional sort of black leaf. And then at the bottom right hand cluster, I found this really cute ephemera piece, which is like a little house, and it said Sweet Home on it. And I thought it was really sweet because this photo was taken at home. The colours work well with my ombre cardstock, and I figured actually it would be the perfect time to use it, because sometimes I get a little bit stuck on how to use sort of big, sort of quite niche ephemera pieces. So I cut that off slightly because there were a couple of sort of leafy sprigs coming out either side, and obviously it had the Sweet Home phrase at the bottom. So I've just cut that off, and I'm still going to use the bits, but I'm just going to reposition them slightly. I've also got a chipboard sticker that I'm going to add onto that, which says Fave, and that was from the January kit. I thought, again, just adding a little bit of black in there would look quite nice. So I've got the paper snips here. These are number 17, came in the Foxbox Plus, but will be available in the shop from February, I think. But there's some really nice sentiments on there with a pink background, and there's some with quite a nice dark, it's navy or is it black? I can't remember, but a really nice sort of dark black background. And I decided to add a couple of these phrases onto a few of the stars that I haven't embellished yet. So I've got my top left hand star. I've got a piece which says let's stay home, you and me, and then I also bring out a chipboard phrase sticker, a nice orange one which says life is your playground. And then on the middle row, on the right hand star, I've got a piece that says you warm my heart, one that says treasure this moment, and then I've taken another one of those orange phrase stickers which says good vibes and hot coffee. So I've also got this puffy sticker from the January collection, which says hello 2021, which I've just put on the top right hand star. I mean, I don't know if it really works that well, but I figured it was orange and it took up a little bit of that blank space, so I decided to go for that. I've got the happy perspective as well, which I should add, just placed on top of the bottom of my photo. I quite like how it fits pretty much the full width of the photo. It's quite long in some parts, so a little bit is hanging off, but I think it looks quite cute and it's easy to read, so I love that. I've got a couple of chipboard stickers, puffy stickers I'm just scattering round, and I've got some sequins as well. These are from Little Things by Lucy's Cards, and I think these are in the shade Butterscotch. But there we are, that is all for today. I hope I've not missed anything or confused anything, but like I said, I will make sure I do a double check and make sure that I've got everything noted in my description box, just in case you've seen anything you like the look of. Thank you so much for watching. I've got some close-ups just to follow now, but yeah, I really enjoyed this one. It was a lot of fun, and yeah, I love how it turned out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video.